Bonjour! Welcome to Mathematics Skills Book 3, Lesson 6, Problem Solving Strategy. Objectives. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve word problems using the 4-step plan as strategy. Then you can answer worksheet activities independently. Materials. So these are the materials you need for this lesson. First, you need your Mathematics Skills Book 3, Set 1, and you need a pencil, then either a tablet or a cell phone. Worksheets. So take note for these pages of your workbook because you are going to answer these pages after this lesson. Now, to solve a problem, we will use the 4 steps in solving a problem. So we will discuss the 4 steps one by one. Step 1, understand. So in here, we have to understand the problem, get the necessary details, and most importantly, get the problem. So when we already understand the problem, we will proceed to step 2, which is plan. In here, we have to plan what are the things we are going to do or what are the strategies we are going to use in order to solve the problem. So when we already have a plan, then let's proceed to step 3, which is solve. So in here, we have to work on our plan. Then when we already solve the problem, then let's proceed to step 4, which is check. So let's check if our answer makes sense. So these are the 4 steps in solving a problem. Step 1, understand. Step 2, plan. Step 3, solve. Then step 4, check. And now let's use those 4 steps in solving a problem. So here's our problem. Kyla's game piece is on box 40 of a game board. She moves it ahead 20 boxes 2 times. Where is her game piece now? So this is our problem. So let's solve this using the 4 steps. Step 1, understand. So this is our problem. So here in step 1, we have to get the facts we know. So what facts do you know? So Kyla starts on 40, right? She moved her game piece ahead 20 boxes 2 times. So these are the facts we already know based on the problem we have. So let's get the problem. So what do you need to find? So this is our problem. So our problem here is we need to find where is Kyla's game piece after she moved her game piece ahead 20 boxes 2 times. So now we already done on the step 1, which is understand. We already understand the problem. Then let's proceed to step 2. Okay, step 2, plan. So to find out where Kyla's game piece is, start with 40 and add 22 times. So this is our plan. So we will start on 40, then mag-add ta og 20 2 times. Mag-add tag 20 kaduha ka beses. Okay, now let's work on this plan. Let's proceed to step 3, which is solve. So our plan here is start at 40. So we will add 22 times. So first 20. So 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. And the second 20. So 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. So Kyla's game piece is on box 80. So we already solved the problem. Now let's check our answer if our answer makes sense. And now let's check our answer if it makes sense. So we are now on step 4, check. So check your solution to make sure it makes sense. Okay, in checking, let's use these things. Okay, now on step 3, solve, we start on 40. So our dice will be placed on 40. Then let's add 20 2 times. So first 20, 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. So the dice will be moved on 60. Then the second 20, 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. So our dice will be moved on the 80. So Kyla's game piece is on box 80. Now, does our answer make sense? Yes, it is. And that's how you do it in solving a problem using the 4 steps. And now let's have a recap. 4 steps in solving a problem. Step 1, understand. So in here, we have to get the necessary details and most importantly, get the problem. So when we already understand the problem, let's proceed to step 2, which is plan. So in here, we have to plan what are the things we do or the strategy we use in order to solve the problem. So when we already have a plan, let's proceed to solve. So in here, we have to work on our plan. So if we already solved the problem, then let's proceed to step 4, which is check. So let's check if our answer makes sense.